Nutrition plays a significant role in mental health, influencing mood, cognitive function, and overall well-being. Here are some key points. 1. Brain function and mood. The brain requires a constant supply of nutrients to function optimally. High-quality foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants nourish the brain and protect it from oxidative stress. Diets high in refined sugars and processed foods can impair brain function and worsen symptoms of mood disorders like depression. 2. Dietary patterns. Research suggests that certain dietary patterns, such as the Mediterranean diet, are associated with better mental health outcomes compared to Western-style diets. The Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, has been linked to reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety. 3. Nutrient deficiencies. Deficiencies in specific nutrients such as vitamin D, magnesium, and B vitamins can negatively impact mental health. Supplementing these nutrients has been shown to improve mental health status. 4. Inflammation and neurotransmitters. A healthy diet can reduce inflammation and alter neurotransmitter function, which can help alleviate symptoms of depression and other mental health conditions. 5. Gut-brain connection. The gut microbiome also plays a crucial role in mental health. A diet that supports a healthy gut microbiome, such as one high in fiber and fermented foods, can positively influence mood and cognitive function. Making small, positive changes to your diet can have a significant impact on your mental health. Are there any specific aspects of nutrition or mental health you'd like to explore further?